Hi friends, there are different varieties for preparing Karjikai or Karanji. Today I am going to show you a simple recipe to prepare Karjikai with jaggery added stuffing. Before checking the recipe, if you are new to the channel, do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Let's check the recipe now. I am using 1 cup of maida, 2 teaspoons of rava, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix all this together and prepare a soft dough by adding little water at a time. After kneading, I have covered and let it rest for 20 minutes. For the stuffing, I am using half cup of roasted gram, quarter cup of grated coconut, quarter cup of jaggery, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds. I have roasted and powdered the gram. To this added coconut, jaggery, cardamom powder, sesame seeds and mix well. Adjust jaggery as needed. The stuffing is ready. After 20 minutes rest, knead the dough again for some time. And I have prepared small dough balls. Roll the balls thinly by dusting with flour. Karjikai can be prepared with or without the mold, and I will be showing you both the ways. First, let's prepare with the mold. For that, to the mold add the rolled dough and top it with the stuffing as much as needed and press it to seal all the edges. You can also brush the sides of the dough with water to help with the sealing. Remove all the extras and this can be used for rolling again later. You can also grease the mold with oil before adding the rolled dough. Ensure that no dough gets stuck in between the two parts of the mold on the other end, which can cause cuts and stuffing to pour out while frying. To help with that, you can add the stuffing out to one side of the mold. Carefully fold the dough on top and then press the mold to seal the edges. We can prepare this even without the mold. For that, I am adding the stuffing to one side of rolled dough, brushing the sides with water using hand and then folding and sealing the sides. While sealing, ensure no gap is left so that stuffing does not pour out later while frying. Now I am heating oil in a pan for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, I am adding the Karjikai. I have kept the gas in medium flame. The Karjikayis can be stored and enjoyed for days after preparing. Once it turns golden brown, remove from oil. Now our crispy and tasty Karjikayi is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.